In this video, I'm going to try to explain the concept of molar enthalpy. So we've studied molar enthalpy before. It is our first form of communicating enthalpy. And we know that our units typically are kilojoules per mole or megajoules per mole. It's possible that it could be joules per mole, but honestly, that's such a small value that it doesn't come up very often. Molar enthalpy gives you a lot of information in a very small bit of space. And so we know that the change in enthalpy equals something. But the molar enthalpy is a specific amount of energy that is specific to both the reaction and to the chemical. And so when we're communicating molar enthalpy, we should be communicating the kind of reaction that it is. And we'll do that here by writing in the kind of reaction, and here by saying what the chemical is. So the molar enthalpy of combustion of butane is negative 2.87 megajoules per mole. So combustion has a symbol C. There are a number of other ones: F for formation, SD for simple decomposition, SR single replacement, DR for double replacement. SOL for solubility and neutralization is NEUT, but often it's combustion or formation. So combustion is symbolized here with the C, and since it's butane, we write butane's chemical formula here. So this means that the per mole is a mole of butane. So if you were calculating what the combustion enthalpy, molar enthalpy of combustion for butane was using a calorimeter, you're dividing by the number of moles of butane that are burned. So since the change in enthalpy for the combustion of butane is negative 2.87 megajoules per mole, that's communicated this way. Sometimes you'll see standard enthalpy, and so they, or the standard conditions. Standard conditions are listed as at SATP, so that's at 25 degrees Celsius and 100 kilopascals. We studied that in the gas unit. But molar enthalpy is meant to give us all of this information in a very brief way. So the next kind of communication will be something that's a little bit more different, but you should get used to seeing that this is change in enthalpy of combustion of butane equals. And that's telling you both the kind of reaction, the amount of energy, and which chemical we're talking about for chemical amount.